Okay, hello guys, that's Oriana here. Before I even get started this video off, I just got a message from Jackie. I haven't really read it yet. Anyways, I heard what happened. I'm hope everything's good. My uncle will trust you now. But, so, call him.
Yo, Trent, what you got for me?
I need a sports car. Let me ask the customer the specifics. I'll text him over.
Ma is a real pest. He came by collecting money for Winston True yesterday. He would never do such a thing. He's a sweet boy.
What
From Chang.
If I can remember
What do you think of fried seafood?
he had chased down, dog eyes with the truck. A bus. Oh my gosh. I'm like already lost my mind.
Hey, what can I do for you?
Yeah, by the way, I got a copyright strike or a claim.
I used to drive one of those, and I lost my job, and well, long story short, here I am.
Okay, he's talking too much. I didn't really get a copyright strike. It says they're not like pushing it, like you'll see on the picture, like as you see on the screen that you guys see. So I don't know if I am copyrighted or not, but the people that has music in the game, if y'all want me to like repost this, like without like without the music, like without audio, I still have like some sound effects in the video, so I could just easily repost it. That's just up to y'all. If y'all want me to do that, then I'll do that. I'm sorry that that I used dog music. I don't know if it's even like the music is like even there still. I don't know if my video is still up. Actually, yeah, it is. I did check it. Okay. So I did some goddamn. I know what this is. I forgot what I was about to say. Where's the mission? New cases. Oh, we gotta do some cases. So we gotta go over here. Bad news. I found out my storage was getting full because of iPad OS shit. I don't know how to fix that. I've been searching on how. I'm not an Apple user. I'm a mobile user. If anybody out there that has Apple knows how this shit works, please remind me in the comments. Sin City.
What are you doing here?
I love that song.
I'm sure you and Pendrew have a lot of top secret backdoor business to attend to.
Look, I'm sorry about how I acted in there. You know, just playing the part. I'm already out there on the streets. I hear things like this ketamine racket. I'll see what I can dig up. How's that for an olive branch?
Serious? Just like that?
Look, I'll help where I can. What?
I'm just a little shocked. I'm just used to Pendrew's people being more like him.
I just think we'd be better off helping each other. Come on, what do you say?
I could really use the help if you're willing to give in.
Well, all right.
Me? Most things want me to check out everything. Is everything cool? Meet me in the market noodle shop. What? Are we just cool? It's all like a motherfucker. What's in this chest?
Hey, good night, good night, good night.
Frisky Bloxers? I didn't see what that is. Frisky Bloxers. Oh gosh. That shit. That was Jackie Ma! Let's just back around. Start making videos on here for a bit.
How's your connect? You getting everything you need?
No, man. I haven't been back to Popstar since I left Dog Eyes. I'm not sure how he's gonna take it.
Want me to talk to him?
Yeah, I'm just about out. So grab my next shipment and make sure everything is cool.
I'm about to beat your ass. Somehow y'all are just scared. Really? Are you serious? I can't do that. Really?
How's your connect? You getting everything you need?
No, man. I haven't been back to Popstar since I left Dog Eyes. I'm not sure how he's gonna take it.
Want me to talk to him?
Yeah, I'm just about out. So grab my next shipment and make sure everything is cool.
Speed up. Oh, yo. Did I bring what was that last?
Hey, is Popstar around?
What would a nice-looking boy like you want with my boyfriend?
You Popstar?
Who's asking?
Look, I work for Winston. Dirty Ming's operating in our territory. I want to make sure he's supplied.
Sure, I'll fix him up. But
what?
I gotta get paid in advance. I'll make it easy for you. Couple of deadbeat junkies owe me money. Guys used to deal for me before they became their own best customer. Collect what they owe me, and I'll hook your man up.
Hey. I got you, dude. I got you.
Who the hell are you? Let's dance. Lay him out!
Do something.
Hi there. Anything
Who the?
for you?
Don't touch me!
I'm the god of unpaid debts. Popstar prayed real hard this morning. Time for you fuckers to pay up.
Hello, can I help you with anything?
Hope you get your hope on the My bad, Mud.
Who the fuck is this?
He's okay. One of Winston's guys.
Yeah? Guess someone new will take on anyone these days.
Who's that?
Feng Shen. Best shit in Hong Kong. You got my money?
Got your money.
Here's your package. Tell Ming to stick with girls over 14 this time. It's the cops. Stay cool.
Hey, you two! Come over here! Let's go! Stop! That's an arrest!
Stop fighting.
The cops. Stay cool.
Hey, you two! Come over here! Let's go!
Why Wei Shen just...
Stop! You're under arrest!
Okay, so taking down officer is not good.
Inspector Tang?
What have you found?
Got enough to bust Popstar. But I also met a supplier, a guy named Feng Shen. Find out where he hangs out, and I'll see if I can get something on him.
I'll get back to you.
Is that Wei Shen's brother, Feng Shen? Wait, what? Remember those strength and health regens? I forgot what this is, but hold on.
You looking for a massage? I give you the special treatment.
How can I say no?
Let's see if we can make you feel better all over.
Okay, shut up. Just shut up.
I sure hope you have a tough day tomorrow, baby. Then I can wait and make it all better again.
This day I don't get that. Hey, you trying to get it worked out. Whoa, that thing's going fast. Oh, hey. I can't see. Well, I gotta see. I want to say professional.
It's the cop.
Oh, I laid over. Got the stuff, right?
Don't worry, I got your stuff right here.
Now I can start making money again.
Slim Jim. Use the Slim Jim too quickly. Break it to cars. So, yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Like and subscribe only if you want to. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.